U.S. Supreme Court announced on Thursday that it will hear arguments next month over President Donald Trump's bid to restrict automatic birthright citizenship. An executive order signed by Trump on his first day back in office directed federal agencies to refuse to recognize the citizenship of children born in the United States who do not have at least one parent who is an American citizen or lawful permanent resident. Federal judges in 3 different states blocked Trump's order, and it will remain halted while the court considers the case. Restricting birthright citizenship is just one facet of Trump's hardline approach toward immigration. On Thursday, the Justice Department said it would appeal U.S. District Judge James Boasberg's finding that there was probable cause to hold Trump officials in criminal contempt of court for violating his order to return alleged members of a Venezuelan gang who were deported to El Salvador under an 18th century wartime law. Trump spoke to reporters about the issue while hosting Italy's Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni at the White House.
We're doing a fantastic job of getting criminals out of this country who Biden allowed into the country. One of the primary reasons I was elected is because I said, I'm going to get the criminals that he allowed to come into our country so stupidly through open borders. I'm going to get them out.
In a separate case involving Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a migrant who was wrongly deported to El Salvador from Maryland, government lawyers asked an appeals court to stop a judge in the state from ordering Trump officials to provide documents and answer questions under oath about what they had done to secure Abrego Garcia's return.
I've heard many things about him, and we'll have to find out what the truth is.
Later, in a strongly worded unanimous opinion, the appeals court rejected the Trump administration's requests in the Abrego Garcia case, adding that the executive and judicial branches are, quote, grinding irrevocably against one another in a conflict that promises to diminish both.